So today let's see two different chutneys which you can use for idlis, dosas, uttapams. So this is the first chutney. It's super delicious and very easy to make. So we're going to start by roasting 2 tablespoons of chana dal. After that, transfer it to a dry mixer jar. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. I'm going to add 2 green chilies that I've cut into halves. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, next we're going to add some salt to taste, and we're going to grind this to a fine paste like this. We're then going to transfer this to a bowl, and now I'm going to temper it. So for the tempering, I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then I'm going to add some dried red chilies. So I've taken 2 dried red chilies, cut them up into 4, and fry these really nicely so that they become nice and crispy. And then we're going to add a few curry leaves, say about 5 to 6 fresh curry leaves. And this is our tadka or 14 or tempering for this chutney. Just add this to the chutney. And lift a little bit of the chutney and put it back into the tadka pan. That way we won't waste any of this tempering and we get all the lovely flavor into the chutney. And then give it a good mix. And chutney number 1 for idli dosa is all ready. This is super delicious. And you can increase the the liquidity by adding more dahi if you want it to be more on the liquid side. And now we come to chutney number 2, which is made with fresh coconut and coriander. Very simple recipe. So first I'm going to start by adding half a cup of freshly grated coconut to my mixer jar. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Then I'm going to add 2 green chilies that I've cut into halves, about 5 cloves of garlic, small cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, next we're going to add some salt to taste, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're going to grind all of this. Now you can add a little bit of water, say about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, and grind it to a paste. And our chutney is ready. This doesn't require any tempering. So these beautiful chutneys, do give them a try.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.